Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are good, healthy, strong at your homes with your parents, and hope so you all are following our guidelines whatsoever we are providing to you physically, theoretically also. I mean practically also. So hope so you are following it, and health is wealth. So, being a sports teachers, this is our prime duty to give you some healthy tips and all beyond the limit. Demonstration basis, practical basis, theoretical basis also. Hope so you are following us. And students, almost be finished uh, 8 chapters for you peoples. Hope so you understood these all chapters. I told you so many time also in my previous lectures. If you have any queries, you may ask anytime telephonically also beta. We are ready for you people. So today we will start chapter number 9. The name of chapter is Psychology and Sports. Topic is personality, its definition and types. So first of all, we should come to know about our chapter name also. The chapter name is psychology and sports. So first of all, what is psychology? Beta, psychology is the study of soul. Without psychology, we cannot do anything in the life. Psychology is the science of mind or soul. And now we will come to sports psychology. Sports psychology is another branch of psychology which has its roots in the modern concept of sports performance. It deals with the various psychological aspects of the sports and sportsman behavior, how he is playing, how she is playing, why he is not playing, why he is not performing, how he can perform. These all things coach can assess, sports teacher can assess those who are having knowledge regarding psychology. Psychology is playing very big role in our life, not in sports even. If you are motivating your children, automatically they will come up. So psychology is playing vital role in our life. Now next is personality. Personality, meaning of personality, dimension of personality of human being. Number one, first of all, we should come to know what is personality. But a personality is a dynamic and organized set of character sketches possessed by a person that influence his her cognitions, emotions, motivations and behaviors in different type of situation. You see, person is having so many situation. Sometime he is in emotion, sometime he is getting motivation, sometime his behavior is rude, sometime his behavior is very good. So these all the things depend upon personality to personality. Some personalities are very cool, some are very aggressive, some personalities are very emotional, some personalities are very fast, they are thinking very fast, they want always result very fast. So these types of personalities we are having. So according to our syllabus, we will let you know the dimension of personality. Number one is a physical dimension. But a physical dimension, you know, some people are having 200 kilogram weight, some people are having height 6 feet, some people are having height 4 feet. So this is physical dimension we can say. I mean height, weight and all. Next is intellectual dimension, mental dimension. I mean to say, mental dimension is some people are thinking very vast and good. Some people are not thinking good. They are thinking bad always. And next is social dimension. Social dimension is whenever we are thinking about our society, some people are spreading good message in society regarding health. Some people are spreading some thoughts in the society. They are giving knowledge to our youngers or seniors also. So some people are thinking quality is always different level. So next is emotional dimension. Emotional dimension is so many peoples are very emotional. In few words they are start beeping and all. So this is called emotional, uh, physical, intellectual, social dimension. In the I mean in the these are dimension of personality of human being. So we will come to next page now. Now we will discuss about types of personality on basis of physical. But physically, according to Sheldon types, we are having three types of personality: endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph. Now, endomorph. These individuals have short arms and legs. They have a rounded physique. Their limbs seem to be shorter because of excessive deposit of adipose tissues. The upper parts of arm and leg are significantly thicker than the lower part. It is hard of them to lose weight. They have pear shape of body. Their excessive mass hinders their ability to compete in sports. In fact, sports require high level of agility or speed. Sports and game which require strength like weightlifting and powerlifting are more suitable for endomorph people, those who are having such kind of physical personality. Second is mesomorph. Mesomorph are categorized as in between in other two body types and are generally described as muscular. They have athletic physique and balanced body. Well developed rectangular shaped body they are having. They have thick bones and muscles. Their shoulders are very strong, larger, and broader in comparison to their waistline. They can excel in such sports which require great strength, short bursts of energy, loads of power because they have enough strength, agility, and speed. Now, this was a mesomorph. Next is, I think, ectomorph. The individual who have an ectomorph body are usually referred to as slim person because their muscle and limbs are elongated. They have weak constitution of body, usually face great difficulty in gaining weight. They have flat chest and have less muscle mass. The lack of muscle mass creates the impression that they are taller than they really are. They do not have a lot of strength, but they dominate the endurance sports because their body types is naturally situated to perform wonderfully in endurance activities. So, guys, these are three types of personality, physical basis we can say, traits of personality we can say. W. H. Sheldon theory is this. I repeat again, I told you three types of body: endomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorph. Now, Generally these three types of body in the world, all over the world, maybe in America, maybe in Russia, maybe in Japan, maybe in India, maybe in Nepal also. Their height may be less, their weight may be less. What types of body? Always three types in the world. So we will come to next page now. Now students, we will describe the difference between endomorph, ectomorph and mesomorph. So first of all, first difference is uh, endomorph individual have short arms and legs, but ectomorph individual have thin legs and arms, and mesomorph individual have balanced body composition. This is the first difference between three. Second is endomorph individual have a rounded physique and ectomorph individual have thin physique. Mesomorph individual have athletic, proper physique. Now third is endomorph individual is having undeveloped muscles. Their muscles are undeveloped. Ectomorph individual have little or less muscles, and mesomorph individual have strong muscles in whole body. Next is endomorph individual have high fat storage, and ectomorph individual have very little fat storage, and mesomorph individual have fat evenly stored all over the body. Fully fats and fully endurable. Next is endomorph individual have pear shaped body, ectomorph individual have a rectangular shaped body, and mesomorph individual have V shaped body. And last difference, endomorph individual is having less ability to complete the sports, compete in every sports, and ectomorph individual are best situated for sports where height is helpful. Yeah, just like volleyball, just like basketball, they people are very suitable for that game. And mesomorph individual can excel in every sports because they are fully fit and fine. So guys, there are major differences I told you between three. What are the difference between mesomorph, ectomorph and endomorph? So I hope you understood this. Now we will come to next page for other works. So beta, our today topic was psychology, sports psychology, dimension of personality, as I discussed with you. Dimension, physical dimension, intellectual dimension, social dimension, emotional dimension, and next we discussed about types of personality, the endomorph, ectomorph and mesomorph. And I also discussed difference between endomorph, ectomorph and mesomorph of personalities. Hope so you understood this. I repeat again, my students, if you have any queries regarding any content you are not getting properly, you feel free to contact anytime with us. And hope so you are following my guidelines whatsoever I am giving to you. On my video is coming daily for you practically, regarding health, regarding balanced diet, regarding yoga, regarding to remove the fats and all. Hope so you will follow me, because health is wealth, wealth is not health. So thank you very much. Jai Hind. Stay healthy, stay home, save your nation, save yourself. Thank you.